In 1956, an engineer at the University of Buffalo reached into a parts bin and grabbed the wrong resistor. The circuit he was building wasn't supposed to pulse, but it did, and that accidental heartbeat would go on to save millions of lives. Wilson Greatbatch was building an oscillator to record heart rhythms. He needed a 10,000-ohm resistor, but installed a 1-megaohm by mistake. Instead of a steady signal, the device produced a rhythmic electrical pulse, 1.8 volts, perfectly timed. Greatbatch froze. He recognized what he was hearing, an artificial heartbeat. Existing pacemakers were the size of television sets, plugged into wall outlets. Patients were tethered to machines. Greatbatch spent 2 years shrinking his circuit small enough to implant. He sealed it in epoxy, used mercury-zinc batteries, and in 1958, a surgeon tested it on a dog. The heart kept beating for 4 hours. By 1960, the first human received Greatbatch's implantable pacemaker. Today, over 3 million people worldwide carry one, all because an engineer grabbed the wrong resistor and listened instead of starting over.